Assalamu alaikum. Myself Sayyid Uzma, your new class teacher of 2nd C. Once again, a very warm welcome to all my dear students. I hope you all are fine and safe by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I will teach you EVS. So come on children, remove your EVS textbook. Textbook page number 5. Open textbook page number 5. Our topic name is My Likes and Dislikes. The lesson name is My Likes and Dislikes. Dear student, you and your friend like to play a kitchen set toy, but some of your friends don't like to play kitchen set toy. They like to play a Barbie doll set. Same as you love to eat apple, but in your family, maybe your brother or sister love to eat mango. So what you understand? That likes and dislikes differ from person to person. Introduction. In this chapter, we will learn how likes, dislikes and hobbies make us different from one another. But we should respect the hobbies, likes and dislikes of each other. Now, likes. What is likes? Yes, I do means we like or love something. When we are happy to have it or enjoy doing it. Liking something means you do it more often. But this is also a fact that the things we like may not be always good for us. It means whatever things we like, we want to do that thing again and again. Now, dislikes. No, I do not means we do not like or love something to have it or enjoy doing it. If you dislike something, you do not want to do it. It means when you don't like something, you will directly say no to that thing. You will not do that thing. But if you like something, you will say yes, I want to do that thing. I want to have that thing. All humans have similar body parts, but their likes, dislikes and hobbies make them different. We all have 2 eyes, 1 nose, 2 ears, everything is same. But our likes, dislikes and hobbies make us different from one person to other person. Each human is unique and their feelings should be respected. Every human being is different and their feelings are also different. But we should respect everybody. We should respect each other. People may have different choices when it comes to food.
Few people likes to eat non-veg food. Few people like to eat traditional food. Some people like to eat Chinese food. It means that people's likes and dislikes are different. Now, books. Some of us like to read story books. Some of us like to read general knowledge book. Few people like to read cartoon comics books. It means that everybody have different choices. Everybody have different likes. Next is places. Now children, tell what happened when your parents plan to go for a picnic. You may like to go on a beach, but your siblings like to go amusement park, isn't it? It means our likes and dislikes are different. Different people like different places to enjoy. Then games. Few of us enjoy a lot while playing online game. On the other hand, others like outdoor game like basketball, badminton. There are many games, indoor game and outdoor games. I like indoor game, but maybe you like outdoor game. It means that likes are different.
If someone will offer you chocolate, you will like it. When someone will give you chocolate, you will take it. Why you will take those chocolate? Because you like it. But if someone will offer you bitter gourd, that is Karela, you will dislike it, you will deny it. Why you will deny it? Because bitter gourd is a bitter vegetable. If your mother asks you to come to the bank, you dislike it. Why you will dislike it? Because going to a bank is a very boring for you people. But at the same time, if your friends ask you to play games, you like it. But when your friends ask you to play, so you are ready to play with them. Why you are ready to play with them? Because you like it, you like to play, you enjoy the games. Now summary. Everyone has their own likes and dislikes. Every people have their own likes and dislikes. Sometimes we dislike the things which are good for us. Sometimes we don't like those things which are good for us. For example, bitter gourd. We should not disrespect anyone if they like the things which we do not like. Suppose you like chocolate, but I don't like it, so you should not disrespect me. We should respect every individual. It means that we should respect every person. Activity. Now children, I will ask you about your likes and dislikes. First is eating popcorn. So children, do you like to eat popcorn? Yes, I am sure you like to eat it. So you will tick right in the likes column. So here is the list of some activities. You have to tick the right as per your likes and dislikes. The things which you like, tick it like column. The things which you dislike, tick it in dislikes column. I hope you understood this chapter very well, that what are likes and dislikes. Inshallah, we will meet soon in a next video with a new chapter. Thank you student. Jazakallah.